All right. What's going on, everybody? Chuck in the building. I just want to come in and give you guys an update on the gold trade that I gave y'all this Sunday on the 16th. The day is now the 18th, January 2022. Um, so let's get started. I was just here reviewing some calendar events that was happening this week. Nothing much going on the rest of this week, but we did have some good news this morning that caused some good movement in the market. Um, Myself and the rest of my team was able to capitalize and make some good funds. All right. So I was just scanning this, and I'll go over this a little more as time goes on and get you guys all familiar with what's going on with the Forex calendar and how to use your economics to help you out and what's going on and drive the market in your right direction to make you a very successful trader. All right. Let's jump on and check out a trade that we took Sunday. If you was able to get in, um, as you can see, gold is doing very well. We all jumped in around about 1818. I already got this marked up here. Again, our stop loss is at 1834. But I was just looking at this just now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring my loss down a little lower, down to 1830, and I'm gonna only show you why I'm gonna do this though, because as you can see here, if you look at this trend from this point to here, is that we just got a change in trend. So this is definitely good news for everybody that's in the sale on gold. You draw a line from here. You can see that gold has dropped below this trend, and we have came back and did a retest. So from this point, I am very sure. Well, I can't say 100% sure. Nothing's 100% sure with trading, but I'm 98% sure that gold will continue dropping. Everything just looked good. As I mentioned before, we didn't break here at the resistance, which if you go back and look at the histories for the last couple of months here, it's actually hit this 5 times. Here I'm on a 4-hour chart. You can show it. It's hit this area 3 times. It did not break, and I wanted that to break last week, but it didn't do it. So everything's looking good right now, guys, and looking very positive, and I'm very excited about this right now. Again, if you was able to jump in this trade, you can see that we got a nice drop this morning with the news. Came down all the way down to 1806 area, and that's approximately about 120 pips. So you do the math. If you figure out what lot size you would use, I know a lot of my team players here was using a zero point 0.1 and higher lot, so I know they racked up at least 10, not 10, I'm about to say 10 grand. I wish they would have. Nah, they racked up at least $1,000 on that, so that's a good job on them guys. Um, if they didn't take their profit, it's all good. We're just still gonna let this thing ride. But if you've been around me for a while, you know how to identify the pullbacks based off the 15-minute chart. All right, and I'm gonna scale down to that here in a minute. Um, but if you would have took your profit here, you would have racked up and entered again. So I call it double dipping. All right. So always secure your bags. But again, I'll go over a video later on that. I'll teach you guys how to identify those pullbacks, and so you can double dip and maximize your profit. But as I said before, gold's looking very solid. I still want to see gold pull down to around 1786, 1790 area, somewhere up in here. I'm gonna just go ahead and drop a little square there just to be on the safe side, because I may forget down the road. So let me see here too. Give me a second. All right. So somewhere in here, I want to see gold take profit. I would definitely be taking all my profit here and waiting on a pullback. Um, as I mentioned before, be careful though, because gold could still continue dropping. So don't say I didn't tell you so. If you get out and you watching the market continue dropping, but hey, it's all good. At least you made some money. But I feel it in my gut that gold's going to hit here, pull back slightly, and then we're going to continue dropping. So what I'll be doing is waiting on that pullback, and as it pulled back, I'll be looking to drop a sell stop to continue catching that drop. All right. Again, I'll go over those videos later on for all you guys new to the trade market and all the terminology. Just tap in. We're gonna get you rolling. All right. Just stick with me. Again, I think I put out. If you got any comments or anything you want to leave, any videos you want to see, type of training, any type of pairs, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Hit me up personally if you know me, and I don't mind, throwing out some training. I'm just here to help. All right. I've been doing this about 8 years, so it's a lot of knowledge I have that I can give, and I want to get everybody on board to at least making some type of additional, residual income or something coming in. Um, and then as you get better, you can start stepping your game up, and you can take this full time if that's the route you want to go. All right. But let's jump on and look at one of my special charts here and see what I see here. This is my this is my chart. I got the sauce here. This is what I pretty much trade off of and make all my big decisions on. But it's pretty much the same as the other chart, the black dot chart. I just use that because I want to stay biased on what's going on. I don't have any type of color candlesticks, so it's pretty much I'm just trading up a price action. I want to make sure that I'm not biased on what directions everything's going. Because after a while, you see a couple green candlesticks, you think it's a buy. You see a couple red candlesticks, you think it's selling. Whatever color you use. So I try to stay away from that as much as I can. But again, this is my breadwinner here. This is my special sauce trades calendar, not calendar, but chart here. And as you see here, I got stars that let me know that we got some good possibility for a change of direction. And these stars have not been broken yet. I knew it was pretty much solid when this one popped up. But as you see, we got a pullback, and then we got another star, and it did not break. But just a little something I use, a little help me out here with a couple tools along with my indicators. Let's jump on a 15-minute chart and see what it's saying. Here, let me scroll this up. I'm sorry. All right, there we go. All right, 15-minute chart, looking good, everything pretty solid. I'm definitely confident about this thing selling. Looking good. I want to see this a nice breakout from this zone here soon. Hopefully around in a couple hours, around 9 o'clock. That'll be the next 4-hour changeover, 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. So I want to see a nice little change of direction and push this baby right back down. But as of right now, it's consolidating, holding. Got 3 touches here, which I like to see. Everything looking good. So, all right, let's just hold on, guys. I think we're going to be all right. If you haven't entered the trade, it's still a good time. Again, like I said, I'm moving my stop loss to 1830, be on the safe side, and let that baby go. Let's check out Trader's View, see what we got. I think I'm going to start using this platform here for Trader's View for you guys that are new to trading. So you guys might be able to understand this a little bit better. It's just a lot more cleaner to see. Again, it's not nothing I usually use on a daily basis. I kind of used to using my own platform that I use here for trading. But I can see why a lot of people like to use this one here. It's really good to see what's going on. I still got the 1834 marked up here. I'm gonna bring this one down to 1830 because that's where I'm gonna put my new stop loss at. All right, guys, and I have my trend lines as you've seen on the other previous charts. Same setup. And if you're in my group, you'll know all the different not stop loss, all take profits that we're gonna be hitting. I just got a couple of them here. laid out here on this chart. But yeah, definitely, if you haven't jumped on my Telegram group, you want to get on board. All right, you can find all this information in my link that I dropped. I'm attaching to this video, and you'll be able to get on my Telegram group if you want to get on some early information, find out what's going on, and tap in. I can help you out a lot sooner versus waiting on a video to come out. All right. But yeah, pretty much simple. I just want to give you guys an update, let you know we're still solid on gold. Still new to this YouTube thing. Uh, each video gonna get better and better. You guys leave any comments on anything you want me to improve on to make this thing a lot smoother. And we're just gonna keep on chugging, all right? Appreciate everybody jumping on, checking out my video. Make sure you like, subscribe to this video, share it with your buddies, friends, anybody that's looking to start trading and just want some down to earth, right to the point trading and leave all that other lingo out. We're just gonna keep it simple and make money, all right? As I said, I always say, make sure you secure the bag. And you guys enjoy yourself. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you on the next video. All right.